Altcoins are starting to move, so we're going to be checking out what the critical levels for Rndr are next. Has Rndr officially finally bottomed out and about to have a massive explosive price action to the upside? I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading these blockchains every single day, and we're about to answer all these questions here on this video right now. So make sure you're smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe. Let's get right into it. So as you can see here, Rndr has had a major retracement from the highs of around, let me see, what was the highs over here, $11.90, all the way down to the bottom here is 78.82% move back. Man, that's a massive pullback, right? So have we bottomed out here for Rndr? Now, I do believe we have bottomed out. Why do I say that? Well, we've come down. We've hit pretty much every single support zone on the way down. We did front run the Q4 of 2023 NPOC of $2.43 that you can 41 cents you can see right here behind me. But the reason isn't because of where Rndr is. The reason is because of Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin has bottomed, and meanwhile Bitcoin stays above $80,000. Bitcoin will continue to move up, and I do believe that as quantitative easing starts to become a bigger picture, starts to come into the bigger picture here, which Jerome Powell's already spoken about just yesterday, right? We will start to see altcoins start to move. So once again, I do believe Rndr has started to bottom out here. We all have lots of moves to the upside. So Rndr right now is currently sitting at $3.15, trying to find support here on this green zone, getting a back above into the, trying to get back above into the Q3 range, I should say, from 2024. But right now, the next big range it needs to get into is the February range. It needs to get back above $3.96, get back into this range here, hold it as support. Once we can break above the value area high of February, which is $4.91, we have an array of targets between 529 all the way up to 715. Look at all these targets on the way up. Now, what's very important here is also getting above this red zone. Getting above this red zone puts us back into the Q4 range of 2024. We have three targets up here that we haven't hit just yet that we need to get above, right? And putting us into above this red zone puts us in range of the Q4, which is where we spent a lot of time here at the end of 2024. Puts us back towards the January range as well, which is the monthly MPOC at 715. Now, why is it so important to get back above this area is because this puts us in range of getting above the yearly pivot. The yearly pivot here at $7.99, practically, let's call it $8, right? Getting above $8 is very critical. Getting above that yearly pivot will show, already from where we're at today, right? Just from where we're at today to this yearly pivot is 142% move. That's already a massive move, right? But getting above that will show some very good strength. Obviously, it just pumped 142%. However long that takes, whether it's over a couple of weeks or maybe a couple of months, we slowly grind back up. But getting above this red zone puts us in range to run above $8. Once we get above $8, we have the next critical zone here will be $10.77 all the way to about $11.48, which is very important, right? There's going to be some resistance here. It is the value area high for Q4. It is also the value area high for December. We have not spent a lot of time up here above these areas at all in the recent past, right? The last time we spent a lot of time up here was back in May of 2024 and March of 2024. But if we are able to flip this resistance into support and get back above $11.48, we are going to be making a run for this previous all-time high of $13.83, which from today, once again, from these lows of where we're at to this all-time high is a 313% move to the upside. So another reason why I believe this is possible outside of the technicals is unless we believe that the AI and DPIN narrative is completely deleted, it no longer is relevant in crypto, which I don't believe, I don't see why Rndr wouldn't run. Now, I don't believe Rndr is going to make too much of an all-time high beyond that. Maybe tops out around $20. That's just me personally, right? In this next major altcoin rally, that is where I believe Rndr is going to be topping out around somewhere near $20. I do believe that at the end of the day, Rndr is literally loading up for a massive amount of move to the upside. The grand majority of altcoins, if we look at them on the yearly, are down 60-70%. Rndr is down 69% on the year. 69% of the year. These are bear market prices, right? And if you're not willing to dollar cost average at these levels, that's up to you. That's no problem. I'm not here to give you financial advice. I'm just here to tell you what I'm doing. I believe I like to buy at the reds. I like to buy on red days. I like to buy when there's a 50+% discount. That's when I buy, and that's always been worked out for me in the past. So guys, like always, smash those likes, hit that subscribe. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. Until next time, see ya.